Hello everyone, I am Krishnapriya. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first video after my channel introduction. This is a DIY video. It's all about making this beautiful flower vase in just 10 to 15 minutes. It's very simple. So without delay, let's get into the video. So for this DIY, the things we'll be needing are a piece of foam sheet or thermocol sheet, some white papers, some glass bottles. These are the juice bottles. I have just removed the label and washed them well. Some scissors, some paints, a brush, some tape. This is the paper tape and I have also taken the normal tape, some wooden sticks. So first of all, I'll cut this foam sheet into small round shapes. The circle should look something like this. Don't worry if they are not perfect, we can deal with it. Fold the white paper 3 times. It should look something like this. Trace a petal shape on the folded paper and cut it. This is the after result. Make sure the base is little wider and don't cut them like this. Let them be attached like this. Keep them aside and make smaller petals than this. I have also cut smaller petals. Assemble the flower. So take a wooden stick which is sharp at one side. Take the petal and take the stick and insert it like this. Now I am going to insert the smaller petals also. You can arrange the direction of the petal manually. Now take the circular shaped foam sheet and insert it like this. Now I am going to place a paper plaster here so that it stays secured, and you can also place a paper plaster over here. Up looks like with 2 foam circles. And now it's time to paint the flower. Paint the flower. You can paint with any colors you want. I'm going for yellow petals and the middle part will be black. I'm taking mustard yellow. I'm mixing 2 types of yellow shades. Paint the flower. Now we are going to, so painting the petal part is done. Now I am going to paint the middle part with black color. The flower looks like after I have painted the middle part. To mix the yellow and brown color and add some highlights to the petals. So yeah, this is what the flower looks like now. So in the same way I have also made 2 more flowers. Let's place them in the vase. You can directly place the flowers into the glass bottle, or you can add some kind of bling paper to it. Here I have some birthday decoration paper. I'm going to place them into the bottle. It should look something like this. Now I'll place the flowers in this. Just arrange them as you want. This is what the final product looks like. DIY flower vase in just 15 minutes. Super cute. I loved it. That was the video. I know it wasn't perfect because I was super nervous, as well as it was not easy for me to do the DIY as well as to record at the same time. So there is a serious need for tripod, really must a tripod. And yeah, if you like what you are watching, do subscribe and do like, share and comment to this video. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.